What up, tweakers? Welcome back. Another trade recap. So as we see it on the 4 hour and on the weekly and on basically every time frame, we are ripping. I mean, ripping insane. However, 4 hour. So we have some interesting things to look at. So on the 4 hour in Asia and London on ES, we moved up. However, we moved down on NASDAQ. So if we look at this on the 1 hour, we can see we have all those lows down here, which look juicy, really nice. I firstly wanted to take these lows, um, but no opportunity presented itself, as you guys can see, which is ripped. So we have all-time highs. We had all-time highs here pre-market with London highs, we had Asia highs, which were taken out already. On Nasdaq, we had London highs and Asia highs with all-time highs here. However, we took out Asia and London lows. So two different things right here. Basically a bullish SMT, but we also had the bearish SMT, so a whole lot of bullshit. And yeah, my idea for today was to take out those lows right here. Um, And yeah, so on the 5 minute market opens, we come up and take out London high. And because we had such a strong reaction when market opened and we were so close to Asia highs, I thought let's just long this and take a small profit to Asia highs, or just wait for a retrace maybe. And what happened? We retraced. If we would have closed beneath this 5 minute low right here, or inverse this shit all the way here, and ES also, if ES would have closed down here, I would have been open to short all the way down to here. However, this did not happen. We came down into equilibrium. We came down into this first initial fair value gap. So for me, this, what the fuck? Are we missing a candle? For me, this opened the opportunity to take longs. So we come down and we sweep out this low. This was like the last line. Wait, actually, we break beneath it. So this was like the last line of defense for longs. Because if we come down even further, I mean, this is just up candles, nothing stopping it to just go right through it and for us to take shorts. However, we came up again after um, all of this bullish pressure we had in this move up here, and we broke above this gap. Yeah, we closed above it, but I did not enter because at 16, yeah, right here, we were still bearish, and on ES we had all the low. Yes, we had all the lows swept already, and on the 1 minute you can see we did not inverse the gap on ES. So I wanted to wait for more confirmation, basically just inversing the gap right here, which also happened. We inversed it. I entered the trade. I fucking top ticked this shit. So, not the best entry. Why is my entry down here? 613.25. So this is wrong. Oh no, this is right. Yeah, no. Wait, is it? No. If I look at my Tradify, 606.25. Still, now we're right. So on the Tradify account, my screen is black. On the Tradify account, I entered right here with three contracts. Yeah, three contracts. You can see $630 took take profit one at Asia highs and second take profit at the 27% extension. This is just a level which gets visited and we have an opportunity reverse of it. Same with 50, 90, 100, 127. As we can see, we swept out the 27% extension. And if we look at NASDAQ from this pre-market move, we take our equilibrium, not equilibrium, Fibonacci, and you can see we came above the 127 and now we're reversing. So pretty good indicator for trading, not indicator, tool to trade all-time highs. So yeah, I took out 90% of the position right here, moved stops to break even, risk-free trade, and just waited for us to hit this full take profit. As you can see, $2,000 on the day. And if we look at, fuck this, okay, we won't look at the Tradeify thing. Um, this is the trade on the Lucid account. Had a really, this is the top tick entry. I mean, perfectly top tick this shit. Almost got stopped out right here, but we reversed and we conquered this shit. So yeah, damn. So here's the Tradeify account. We're up on all our accounts now. Um, my mentals also been way better now. Yeah, really, really nice. Now I have 1 day left this week. Don't know if I will take a trade. However, I think in the next 2 weeks I will be able to pause all of those accounts and start making money again because my expenses keep getting bigger and the profit keeps getting smaller. So yeah, really nice trade taken today. Beautiful setup. We also had, yeah, obviously we had a bullish S&T because all of these lows right here, Asia and London, high time frame bullish S&T, extension, retrace, 1 minute break, bang, take profit. See you guys, bye bye.